Appreciate taking one more zombie out of the equation for me there, bro. At least some good came with it. Electrician's note. Public use generators provided by Raccoon City Electrician's Guide. Due to the ongoing power outages, the guide has been decided to provisionally place a number of electronic generators throughout the city. Everyone is welcome to use them, but remember these generators are running high voltage currents. If no one were to be struck or impacted by gunfire, anyone standing near could get electrocuted. Handwritten additionally. Got that? See the generator spitting sparks? Don't get near it. Don't do anything stupid. Safety first, as the saying goes. If we make it through this mess, I have plenty of busted generators for sale at bargaining prices. Okay. So I think he's talking about that. And how it's good for doing that. Huh. I'm pretty sure that was supposed to go a lot better for those doggies. Alright, what an excellent placement for that note. Hey, boys. Look at this chick, she's just kind of shaking it a little bit. It's like, I don't even care. Look at my fanny. Cool. Don't really know where this is taking me. Oh, I'm probably headed over there. First, I want to make sure I'm not missing any items. I like to be thorough that way. So nothing sucks worse than getting lazy with the items. And then, you know, you don't have as much stuff as you need to get through areas, so you have to try and do it usually in pretty stupid ways. Like if I had to dodge a room full of zombies because I'm all out of bullets. In fact, I could probably be dodging these zombies right now, but considering the large amount of bullets I have... Okay, I could probably dodge this guy. I just want to make sure I'm not missing any, Man, I really need to work on that dodging. Oh, crap. Too close, too close. Okay, this is... Oh! Oh! Oh, yes. Let me get one of my pre-made ones. Use that right away. Okay, let's put... No, not examine it. Put that away. Move this up here. I could hold on to this bow cutter. Now let's take a little bit of handgun ammo out. Just take 10 bullets out. Okay, effects from Substation Chief. To all employees, in response to the violent outbreaks across the city, we have implemented an international power outage. Once this situation has been brought under control, please activate the 4 breakers ASAP. Once that's done, turn on the main power switch in the control room to reactivate the power grid. Okay, so 4 breakers. Oh boy, it's a maze. And that does not look pleasant. Maybe I should bring healing with me. I'll take the gamble.
like... Oh, I don't even want to think about it.
Probably smells like soiled underpants and death. Which I don't know if you ever smelled death with the word, but soiled underpants definitely falls short of it, but I'm sure it's a pleasant seasoning on top of it. Green herbs, they work. It was starting to look like Chad was never going to come back from his round, so I poked my head in there and fuck me, next thing, you know, I've got some kind of magnet squirming around my throat. I was gagging and heaving, but those little bastards didn't seem to mind none, and they just wouldn't come up. I was staying around like a madman, and then I saw a green herb. My grandma once told me that even green herbs are a natural bug deterrent, so I grabbed one, shoved it down my gob, and swallowed it. And what do you know, little things didn't want to be in there anymore. I've never been so happy to throw up. I'm going to head back down and look for Chad. Anyone else sees this, remember, eat your greens. That sounds very unpleasant. Maggots, huh? What's this dude sitting on? I need that, bro.
Oh my god.
Okay, I imagine it's another gem. Oh, yes. Wait here. Let's unlock this one. And while we're standing right near it, let's go unlock this one up here too. There was totally one up here. No, wait, it was down here. Alright, where are you guys hiding? What, they all clear out of here or something? Man, with all these locks I've seen, I'm gonna have to keep this lockpick on me, like, at all times. Okay. Well, I mean... I think I have everything I need to go in there. Alright. You know, just for good measure, I don't remember what how generous the autosave is here, so in case I die, I don't want to be sent all the way to the back. Okay, what's this note? The key to high voltage area has gone missing, and the earliest we'll be able to find replacements this week. In the interim, a lockpick will be provided to the senior employee on duty. We only have one lockpick and cannot afford to lose it, so please keep it in its carrying case at all times when you're not using it. And please, could you all just check once more, did you not accidentally take the key home? If you find it, please bring it to Kate in admin. Oh, no. That thing is ugly. Oh! Jill, do something! Shoot it! Oh my god, that thing just tongued Jill. Parasite, oh. Okay, I guess that's the demonstration for how that works. Oh man. Dude, I don't want to do this without the shotgun. You saw the size of that bug? Alright. I'm gonna go get that shotgun. I'll meet you guys back here. Alright, I'll have to show that I grabbed this. Hip pouch. Found that there. Okay, I'm gonna show that I grabbed this too. I'm going to show all this stuff that I grabbed on my way back just so nobody gets confused as to where I found items. First aid spray. First aid spray of the game. Store that. Moving on. Okay, here we are. Use this lockpick on this locker really quick. What is it? First aid spray. Very nice. Come over here. Bolt cutters. Shotgun. Thank you. Okay, I like to have my weapons at the top. Thank you very much. Key items over here. And health items over there. Okay. I gotta head back over there. Dude, what? I don't think so. Well, he's probably gonna be an issue when I get back here. Alright, as I was saying, meet you back over there.